Yes, central limit theorem at work, and this is really just to kind of show what happens, how this actually happens. So if we have any distribution, if we were to sample, make 10 replicates and take 10 means of those replicates, we're going to get, a distribution that, can kind of look like anything. And then as we start doing collect 100, we start to see that emergence of normality happens actually quite quickly. And then you see 1,000, and if we were to do 1 million different means, so creating 1 million different replicates, taking the mean, this takes a little while to run, but we can start to see now that we get a nice diverse spread out, essentially exactly like you would expect a normal distribution to look like. Okay, so this happens as an interesting quirk of math. This fact of resampling or sampling will always create, if you take enough samples, you will create a normal distribution for your summary statistic. Okay, and then we can gauge, based on what percentage do I believe that my statistic needs to be different enough from the mean to really say, yes, I think this is different.